Hey my beautiful flowers, how are you guys doing today? And welcome back to my channel on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications. That way you guys can get notified when I post a new video. So yeah guys, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, for today's video, I just want to tell you guys the exciting news that I'm gonna get in 2 weeks. It's gonna be on November. I'm gonna get it at November 9th. So I'm just gonna tell you guys what the surprise is, and I'm gonna show you guys some product that I brought for for surprise that I'm gonna bring on in 2 weeks on November 9th. So let's get started. So guys, my sister was searching for my own dog, for my own doggy. Yeah, and we finally found one, and I'm getting my first ever puppy, you guys. I'm having my first ever puppy gonna live with me, and it is a girl. If you guys want to know the gender, it's a girl. So gonna get her on. I'm gonna have a new puppy, you guys. My first ever puppy. So I'm gonna get her on November 9th in 2 weeks, and I'm super excited. And I'm gonna tell you guys her name right now. Her name is gonna be Sophia. That's what I'm gonna call my doggy, Sophia, my puppy. So I brought her like a couple of things. There's some in the garage and some in, in my bedroom. So I'm gonna show you guys the ones that I have in the garage. The garage gonna be messy, but I'm just going to show you guys the inside of my garage. So let's go and see it. But there's like a two beds for 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 my sister's dog Max, that is backyard. We had him.